start to fail, you're the one I need, oh. Before cause I would start to hate, if I ever leave, oh. Look what that kind of me to go far away, far away. Say I am looking for a sister, Ijeoma, my lover. She get the dollar, she deal with designer. Say I am looking for a sister, Ijeoma, my lover. She get the dollar. She say give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Say biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy. Baby, you want me? No. Love is sweet, oh. When money enter, love is sweet. That bad story. So brother man go got the liver, call a little. Tell her make she come to go far away, far away. Yeah. Say I am looking for a sister, Ijeoma, my lover. She entered.
You're welcome.
Mr. Meno, thank you. Mr. Yosh, thank you.
There's a million ways you can't come here. You could take a million. So, what I can do, I just keep on making $2 million before. We take one no check out for month for Wadana.
If you will never go, I don't know. If you never go, I don't know you at all. I over there, or put a little lad. And your guy is your dog. Where's the dog? It's your dog. Is in the go for this year or on this year. I know you are going to meet him. On the day, guy. On the moon, when you know, I get it. I already have some night. What happened now? You want nobody have a watch off. You can water. The man in London, I am a 1 year. I must have had a time to do me. You get to the video. No man. You get to the we talk this with the oh, music, more as well. Because I need a better at the time, don't want to
Hey,
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the couple is about to cut the cake now. Yeah. And at the prayer session of Jesus, they cut the cake. Hey.
This is a very special occasion.
And you and Jesus, cut the cake, cut the cake.
No.
And round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And I'll go back here. Oh, thank you. Alright. Immediate families. Everybody will come. Immediate families.
I'm Simon Teunissen, and I'm very excited and happy to have my traditional marriage with Ijeoma Oligbo today. I love her very much, and I've loved her since the day I met her in London. We went to a cocktail bar together and then to another pub and just chatted the whole night, and I just knew she was the woman for me. I promise her to love her as long as I can, my whole life, to take care of her in the good times and in the bad times, and always be there for her whenever she needs me, and cherish her how much I can.
My name is Ijeoma Oligbo, and I met my husband, who is called Simon, in a cocktail bar in London by Oxford Circus, and it was a very lovely evening whereby we drank lots of very strange cocktails and had very interesting conversation. And almost 5 years later, we are here in Ogidi in Anambra, about to celebrate our traditional marriage, which we call Ibanku. One of the first things that made me fall in love with my husband is the fact that he is just such a sweet human, a person that is always willing to learn, and he's very curious, and above all, he cares for me in ways that I would even ask for. He'll do things without me asking, and I'll surprising me with romantic gestures, and I know that no matter what, he's always there to support me, and so I hope that in our marriage that I can help him in the same way, to support him in the same way that he supports me. He balances me to be more relaxed, more laid back, and to have different views on my life. So I hope that I can offer the same to him, the same security, the same support, and the same love that he's been showing me for almost 5 years.